Munini wa President Rigathi muthenya wa Juma anyitanĩire na muingi hamwe na atongoria igongona-inĩ rĩa gũcangira cukuru wa mumwe wa Airĩtu kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo wa Isiolo Girls kuria orĩtie muingi wa kaunti ĩyo wĩkirĩre gũthomithia airĩtu.
Education reduces FGM among our girls by up to 89% in secondary education. Secondary education reduces teenage pregnancy from 38% to about 5%. We cannot allow the dreams of our girls to be subjected to practices that snatch them the passport to a bright future.
Kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo airĩtu 7 harĩ 10 nĩ maruithagio marĩ mĩaka-inĩ ya cukuru wa mũthingi na maruithio 2 harĩ 10 maumanagia na kũhikithio marĩ gatagatĩ-inĩ ka mĩaka 10 kinyagia 14 na no airĩtu harĩ 10 mathiaga cukuru cia secondary.
FGM triggers early marriage after this forced transition. It deprives the girls of their childhood as they start a prolonged miserable adult life which they are not ready for. They are ready for school, not ready for marriage. Girls are children, not mothers. They must be in school.
Fadhali, ndoa za mapema za wasichana ndizo zinarudisha sisi wengine communities za mbalimbali nyuma.
Gachagua arĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya gĩthomo nĩ arutĩire mũkana aici a mahiũ na oragani arĩa makoretwo makĩagagia aikari a Isiolo na kaunti iria marigainie.
Wale watu ambaye wanaangaisha watu wa Isiolo, watu wa Samburu, watu wa Meru, watu wa Laikipia, mwaka wa kumalizana na nyinyi ni mwaka huu wa 2024.
Bunduki ya RPR process yote imeisha, imekoma kwa Inspector General. Kwa mwa hiyo watu wa Isiolo waweze kupanda bunduki waweze kuchunga security yao Your Excellency.
Munini ucio wa President augite thirikari nĩ ĩraramia kĩharo kĩa ndege kĩa Isiolo nĩguo gĩtungate kinyagia matũra ma kaunti cia gatagatĩ ka bũrũri.
Nimeongea na waziri wetu wa uchukuzi Kipchumba Murkomen na tumekubaliana kuna technical team ambaye ameunda ya kuangalia vile marekebisho itafanywa ndio hiyo airport ikuwe ya kusaidia
upande wa walimu, upande wa health, upande wa masomo, upande wa affordable housing. Tunaendelea kusema ni lazima kazi tutengeneze katika hii nchi, watu wetu wasaidike na waweze kuendelea.